This is the final project demo for our program. I have opened the application folder, double click the executable. The student and teacher logins will be set by the institution. One of our default logins for students is A1. This brings you to a class selection. Since there is the possibility to be in more than one class using this program, you have to choose which class you would like to work on. This brings you to the main view. As you can see here, you can work with equations, take a quiz, change your class, and this is a game button that is not currently working. However, it is a future upgrade to the program. If you change your class, the class selection window will reappear, and selecting a new class, and this label that tells you what class you are in will automatically update. Viewing the equations, this is the adapted version of SP2. As you can see, you click on an equation, enter a value for one of the variables, this variable being time, say 5 seconds, and the distance is 122 meters. The statistical calculations is where you select which variables you'd like to do statistical calculations on, enter the value for the variable, and set your standard deviation. And how many iterations you would like. While this solves this here and tells you the mean, median, and I believe that mode is not currently working, that will be another update fix, and range. It also gives you the ability to save it on your computer, which I will not be doing. Take quiz. Change back to the main class. Take quiz populates with the list of quizzes in the class that you are currently in. And as you can see, we have some sample tests. The tests will be populated by the teacher. This is one of the group members having fun. As you can see, it shows you your percentage for the test and then questions wrong out of the total. This concludes the student version of the program. Now, if we reopen the program and log in as a teacher, and currently our teacher default is T1, it shows you this additional teacher control. From here you can open up the control panel, and the control panel works as this. You select a class that shows you the quizzes that are available to that class, also the students that are in that class. Now if you select a quiz, it shows you the students that are associated with the quiz in that class. If we change, it does the same. Now here we can add a quiz, This quiz is dynamic, so you can have as many questions as you want. And as many multiple choice answers as you want. If you've created too many multiple choice answers for your question, you can delete them. Here you enter the correct answer number, the number associated with the correct answer. Let's create one more question. This creates the quiz, which is stored on our server. As you see, it is also populated in the list. From here you can edit this quiz, delete or modify questions, possibly change answers, toggle the quiz to show or to not show if you want to make all of the quizzes beforehand and enable them as students come to that area of the class. And also we can remove the quizzes. Also from here we can change grades and generate reports. Changing grades is as simple as a pop-up window. And generate report is as simple as clicking on the class, pressing generate report. It shows you the class average, the student average, and each quiz. Currently our save button does not work. That will be an additional feature. This generate report button is the same functionality of the other one. However, going this route, you have to then select your class from the class selection window, and then it will show you the class report. That concludes our final project demo. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed.